The Cold War Generator Review. Hello everyone, today we are going to be reviewing a new product called the Cold War Generator. I start recording this video after going through each and every document in the members area. This is to give me confidence in delivering honest review on the product. Steven Anderson, a 47-year scientist, has promised to show you how to build a brilliant device that was born from a tragic milestone that he acquired from his personal experience a long time ago. The device has helped him to generate his own energy, which eventually led him to attain the peace of mind he craved for so long. We have had this type of promises before, so let's head over to the members area and see for ourselves. Hello again, and thank you for visiting the Energy Nerd channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more honest and credible energy related videos. Without wasting more time, let's begin. What is Cold War Generator? It's a ClickBank product that promises to show you how to build an energy device that will save you from the energy companies. Who created the product? The product is created by a scientist from LJ, Georgia, a 47-year-old guy named Steven Anderson. How does Cold War Generator works? This product or system has come up with a brilliant way to easily get maximum efficiency from your solar system. In other words, the Cold War Generator is an optimal way to get solar energy for your house throughout the year just by using 5 sets of solar panels and 8 sets of reflective fans. The setup works to get maximum efficiency out of your 5 panels. What to expect inside the members area? After ClickBank process your payment, you will be redirected to the members area. Sometimes you will receive an email with a URL link to access the members area. Here in the members area, we can see 2 PDF guides. The first is titled The Cold War Generator, and the second PDF is titled Tools and Components. In addition to the main PDFs, he added some cool bonuses, as you can see. The first PDF, Cold War Generator, has 58 pages, which explains in detail on how to build your own power generator. The second PDF, titled Tools and Components, has 4 pages, which list each and every component and materials that you need in order to build your system. What are the pros and cons of the Cold War Generator? Let's start with the pros. The advantages. The PDF guide is written in a plain, simple to understand English, explaining all the technical concepts. So you have no issue understanding everything in it. The product provides a new knowledge on how to improve your solar energy system. The vendor uses diagrams and figures to help you build your own system fast. The vendor makes sure all the required components and tools to work with are listed in the ebook. Let's take a look at the cons. The vendor did not add any supporting video guides on how to build the system, but if you can read English, you can understand what is written in the 58 pages. Another disadvantage is that the product is in English only, so you must know how to read English in order to understand and build your own system. What is our experience using the product? As I wanted to record this quick review for those who want to know what is in it for them before purchasing. Honestly, I'm yet to build this project myself, but I read through all the ebooks and understand the concept that Mr. Anderson uses to improve the energy efficiency of the solar energy. If you are one of those people who want to see the members area, I hope you found this video helpful. What is our ratings? Out of 10 points, this product gets 8.5 points, which is very good. Where to get this product? Check the description box below this video. You will get the link to the Cold War Generator official website. Do you get any discount? The link in the description box below is for Energy Nut subscribers, so you can use it to get the special discount given to us. Once again, thank you for subscribing to the Energy Nut channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment your opinion in the description box below. Bye for now and stay safe.